Whispers from the Brighter World, beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Monday, April 30th, 2001, 8 am. Be delighted through this birthday celebration that is getting more important in the world with the passing of the years. It is the mission that is celebrated. It is advancing step by step and conquers the hearts that sense of sincerity of this way. This sobriety and the simplicity of the practice are adapted to modern times. Communing with oneself, cutting oneself off from the world at some time during the day has become a necessity for our candidates. They feel all the good they benefit from this plunging into themselves. They empty their minds of their worries to let themselves be carried away toward other shores, less tumultuous, where the soul can recognize itself again and feel itself existing. This meditation has its own importance. It leads you to living ecstatic moments that reconcile you with life. This life doesn't give you only good moments, but it offers you this way out towards a luminous world adorned with all graces. While time is slipping by, you give their true place to your abhyas. They open up new horizons to you. You discover another aspect of your person and your real identity appears to you. You will find yourself different, not granting the same importance anymore to things that surround you, knowing how to make other choices that better correspond to your new inner state. While letting emerge your own best part, your everyday life will be consequently transformed at all levels. That is the desired goal. Babuji Maharaj. Same day at 10 am. These messages, in a certain way, are starting to soar. Under their apparent simplicity, they will be able to touch men's hearts. Some of them will find them meaningless. When they are not ready to be received, they cannot touch the right chord. Others will consider that they come just at the right moment and will welcome them. Relax, my daughter, gain stature. This celebration day is special. Graces are bestowed on men of goodwill. May your hearts, wherever you are, by feeling them. Set aside moments for meditation. Be united in prayer. Think of your brothers who do not have the luck to be on the path towards the ultimate goal of their existence. A very big gathering cannot take place this year in India for climatic reasons. Therefore, this celebration is being held in another way. It teaches you how to create within yourself special conditions that enable you to feel the effects produced by the union of all hearts converging towards the same celebration. Feel within yourself the power of egregore which intensifies as time goes by. Be happy to belong to this family of souls that is growing prodigiously. Let yourself be carried away by this mysterious wave which is rising up to your feet. You can thank for being blessed like that. Please become aware of that fact. That is what we are hoping today. Babuji Maharaj.